Paano nga ba mag-improve yung communication skills mo, especially for speaking? So, kung gusto mong pumunta ng stage, parang TED Talk, and you wanna present something, or as a normal conversation lang, day-to-day talk sa ibang tao, how do you improve it? Okay, so let's say you wanna speak fluently sa English or sa Filipino or even ibang dialects. First is you wanna read some books out loud. Or kung wala kang books, try to get some materials online, any resources online you can pull up. Maraming mga columns or even mga short form books na you can read and you start reading them out loud. Why? Kasi the moment you read the book out loud, like kailangan mong i-utter, sabihin word by word yung mga binabasa mo, you will see the difference kung paano mo siya dineliver. You will see yung mga magandang nade-deliver mo at even yung mga pangit, yung mga words na kailangan mong bigkasin. At first time mo bigkasin, malalaman mo yung mga bagay-bagay na nahihirapan ka sabihin, bigkasin, and you wanna make sure that you record it. Okay? You record it kasi kung hindi mo siya ire-record, meron kang bias diyan, eh. So, sasabihin nung nakarinig sa'yo, ganito yung dineliver mo or ang pangit ng how you say it. So, you would remove the bias kasi ikaw mismo makakarinig nung mismong sasabihin mo. Okay? And then lastly, make sure you think of someone you wanna imitate. I'm not saying completely imitate, yung paborito mong speaker or yung mga speakers na paborito mo, at least choose one, okay? Na tingin mo you wanna replicate, okay? So maraming personalities, magagaling na TED Talk speakers, mga influencers na you can copy and then see how it goes. Okay? So again, read the book out loud, record, and lastly, copy someone or imitate someone, and you'll see the improvement daily.